Let's start. Now I will show you how to calculate RSI in the Excel. Now I am calculating the data and explaining all you after that. Let's start. Now for that we are calculating the change. Change is equal to current price less previous price, and same will be copy paste toward the end. Now the second is up move and other is down. Now we are taking here formula. The formula is equal to if this is greater than 0, then take this number or 0 and copy paste till the last. Same here is equal to if this number is less than 0, comma take this number, but we are numbering here below 0 is negative. So we are taken here the sign of negative. Then the movement will consider automatically positive. And copy paste till the end. You can check it, it will be difference calculated because we want an actual difference between asset. Now, now we are calculating EMA of upward, that is for the 14 period. As per the EMA formula, for last we are taken the same value. Now, as per the EMA formula, is equal to price minus previous price multiplied by 2. The period is in 14. So we are taken is 14 plus 1 plus previous price and copy paste till upward. Now same formula will be copy paste here and only the numbers will be changed. Let's we are checking. The current minus previous into 2 divided by 1 plus period plus previous. And here we are taken the other signs. So number will be different. And check towards till today. Same, we are taking the downward movements EMA for the 14 period and copy paste till today. Now we want a relative strength. Then we are entering RS and is equal to upward divide downward. So is equal to this divided by this and same copy paste till the end. But we want this number between 0 to 100. So simply we are taking 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS. Let's do it. Is equal to 100 minus 100 divided by 1 1 plus RS. And the number is calculated. Now we are taken this and copy paste till last. Now you can check it. Whenever it will goes on 30th June 7470 and next date negative movement will be done. Same thing. It will be above 70 here also. Then also big negative movement done. So as per the daily data, this will be an overbought. So some taken as voice is not or so I will take it and repeat from first. As per the formula, of RSI. We want to require the upward movement and downward movement specially to calculate the upward movement and downward movements EMA. So we are calculating first change. Change is equal to today's close less previous close. Then we want to classify it upside movement or downside because we want an same number that will positive or always to calculate the EMA of correct number. Then for that we enter here the if formula. If if this number is greater than 0, then take this number, otherwise take 0. Same is here. We want a negative numbers. Then if is equal to this number is less than 0, comma this number, but it want a negative this number because negative into negative positive, and it will show us only in the number, comma 0. Now, which is not clear my sound, can you please in the chat? Because maybe on the mobile sometimes sound is not clear, but from the laptop there are which is connected with laptop, they maybe show the clear. Okay, so I zoom it to, if not here by anyone, can see the actual activities and formula. Now this will be EMA of upward, and we entering here the period, that is EMA upward and 14 period. Now as per the EMA formula, we are calculated. EMA is equal to price of today's less price of previous days into 2 divided by 1 plus period plus previous day's price, and same will be used toward downward. Same formula for downward is here to calculate the more accurate value. Now we are calculating the RS. It is a relative strength is equal to upward divided by the downward, and same will be calculated for the further. But we want this number is 0 to 100 to calculate the strength, because from this will be on depend on the price, that is the 1.4 2 point it will be for the Nifty. If share are price of more than 50,000, then that number may be different, or volatility, that number may be different. So we are convert it using the index formula into 0 to 100. So is equal to 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus relative strength. So it will be calculated between 1 to 100, and same copy paste till the last. Now we need to exclude the last sum 50 to 100 that data because that is not accurately given. So like I avoid the 2019 data because that is not accurately given to the me. Then on data, then it will be accurate till today. Now you can see it. Now we are checking how much return for the tally. Not is generally used for the initiate the positions as we already seen. Long or short is equal to if this number is less than 30 comma 1 comma 0, and short is equal to if this number is greater than 70 comma short position, otherwise 0, and copy paste this formula till the end. Now you can check it. This is only says the support with the moving average. It will shows the negative, but when the moving average support, that may be negative, may be possible. Same situation. You can check the in the March. In the March from the 26th Feb, it will be a below 30, but the trend downside is very strong. So on RSI, you cannot take in positions. Same situation is here on 13th April. It will be very short covering done in the April expiry, and it will be above 70. And next day, risky traders got the best profit. But here also cannot get most profit whenever it down, then with moving average, then get best profit. Now we are seeing the second and last indicators in this lecture is trading range breakout. And how it will be used, only support with the moving average you can take as same as the RSI. For that, any immediately indicators are not available for the trading range breakout. It is only for the practice and our observation purpose. Trading range breakout. It is rule based on the price breaking the support or resistance or certain some prices like previous lows or previous high or this week low or this week high. Then the fresh downward or upward movement may be possible. For that, it is generally used to take in the more action immediately. It is used only by the tracking lines on the chart and as per our personal data. It is not available immediately on any site. Now we are taken how to use the trading range breakout. Let's see on chart. Now we are converting it into the hourly chart because in the 15-minute you can't get more. You need to use for minimum 1 hourly or the daily chart. Let's everyone seeing the chart of the Nifty. Okay, so everyone maybe some connecting issue that maybe signal is late. Now I have taken the 1 hour chart and in this you can it manually enter the lines. Sure, I will repeat the some formula and calculations. Now let's we are seeing how to use the trading range breakout manually for only confirmation purpose. It is not given sign or not is an available immediately in any side. In that we are using the weekly chart, hourly chart. Hourly chart are generally used for weekly trading as per our learn in the previous sections. Now we are seeing the last week means from second to fifth. That will be a from this line maybe started the August 3rd and this will be ended. Now low level is here of August. That is on the 3rd August, the low level is here. Now I am just drawing the interactive chart because for the drawing clarification. Due to some taken on the chart on this, this will be not available immediately. So I will suggest from next section, I will using the chart of my software and explaining you immediately after 10 minutes how to using it free tool investing.com, because that is chart is not fastly available and our time is gone. Now I have taken the chart of Bank Nifty here, and as per the trend line, we are check it how to use it using trend line. You can check it. The 3rd August lowest level is there. It is 21,100 and the highest level is nearest to 22,000. Then whenever this line will be break upside, then we can choose the fresh movement, and whenever this will be downside, we can take a fresh movement toward downward. It is used by the drawing that will explain you, and otherly all indicator furthers I will explain your investor India, because due to the investing some chart is slowly we are wasting some times, and time is very important to all. So I will let sorry to do to the error. I will try to everyone use can use the free software and how to learn to all best, that is not purchase the softwares. So thanks to all. We are connecting next Sunday for